Kubor ka Batisi TV, Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch, price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramangi, hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Hadian belami ki kubor, bagi ladon ki kenhuan ki dalam link baka RTI, bagi karkhana jongki company, kem shimla sewe ka bai thang ding, ka bahado sau kulur tengka. Usembut menteri rang baka jela ba prestun tensong laong, ba kamdei baka sarkar jela ka lakhendo. La ka dei ya ki company, ne ya ki yeng jongki reushimet. Hendrai katnat MeECL kadang BORDIEN ban LUM, ya ki bai thang ding, ki badang sa haringkat ke kuna, balada ki nang penslam, ke kunaru kanang khamhe.
See, as far as spending bills is concerned, be it industries or be it household, be it anybody, MeECL is trying its best to recover back those outstanding as early as possible. So that is the ongoing process where we are doing it. It is not just that RTI report says that way. We need to also understand, okay, maybe 44 crores outstanding is there, but from the government side, from the corporation side, what we do is we keep following it up every month, because these people who fail to pay, they have to also pay the penalty. So the more they delay, the more they have to pay the penalty. So we have, we have walked out the system and we have told them, pay as early as possible. We are doing this. This is the ongoing process where the corporation is doing. There's no question of that. That's what I'm telling you. I think if you go back, I think the year 2018-19, there was one special scheme done by MeECL. One-time settlement. One-time settlement means if you come, suppose if your bill spending maybe 10 crores or 20 crores, then one-time settlement where we waive, not the bill, we waive the penalty clause. We waive the penalty. So the basic, the basic outstanding where we have to get means we are getting. Except the penalty, then that's what we call it one-time settlement. No more one-time settlement, because one time means one time, only one time. So that has been done already. So there is no more one-time settlement at all. They need to pay it, and when they pay, they have to pay with penalty. Have all the details, but see, some of them also we disconnected the power. Some of the industrial estate we disconnected the power because they fail to comply to whatever we requested them. So ultimately, the option is what? To disconnect their power. As I said to you, those industrial estate, those industries, unit, whoever, be it coke, be it cement, be it anybody, when the outstanding is huge, the corporation keep noticing them, asking them to pay and clear the outstanding, including the penalty. And if you fail to do that on such date, then the power will be disconnected or power will be cut.